Tales from Our Universe's Edge, written by Ron Townsen, narrated by Ron Townsen. Each of the three tales start at the furthest edge of our universe. There, it is found an ancient dual galaxy pair known in some circles as Trilia and Sphexe. The universe is not infinite. There are galaxies that exist on the edge, having been formed early in the initial blast of the Big Bang. Beyond the outermost galaxies are particles continuing to push the outer bounds. From Earth's point of view, they are receding at near the speed of light as space expands. There are ancient worlds that exist in these galaxies on the edge. Universes are created, but there is a new one that is most unique. Unlike most universe creations, this new universe creation has the same definition as ours, making interaction possible, and its location makes a merger inevitable. The result is a collision of massive proportions, for which Earth is not yet aware. That is, unless you happen to be able to sense the 11-dimensional space that is captured and described by M-theory. Tales from Our Universe's Edge, Story 1, The Old Ones, Chapter 1. The galaxy as Sphexe existed on the very edge of the universe as part of a pair rushing at breakneck speeds away from an area where the universe first began, as the pressure of space continued to force expansion. In one of the two great galaxies, a race formed and survived to become the oldest in the old galaxy. Yatel was a major citizen of this oldest race in the galaxy. It was from this ancient heritage that other civilizations had begun calling their race the Old Ones. They had evolved originally as a predatory plant, but over time had developed advanced sciences. They could now understand many of the secrets of nature and manipulate their gene structure. Their galaxy, which the Old Ones identified as Sphexe, was soon formed after the Big Bang created the universe. The history of their race showed an evolution from a single-cell species to their current form of an intelligent, mobile plant life. It had been billions of star cycles since they had first discovered the key theories leading to space travel. They had moved their home planet numerous times and had made significant strides in becoming the first to monitor life forms around their galaxy. Yatel had proven to be one of the most adventurous of the current living beings in the ancient race. He was the first and only one to plant sensors around the black hole at the center of the galaxy. He had been the first to be caught up and escape a blue star transition. He had been the first to come up with the design to encapsulate a yellow star to capture its energy output. He had specifically designed his ship to maneuver in complex environments under its own decision-making ability connected to Yatel's mind. This unique design was of Yatel's development and allowed him to stay in hibernation, but keep his mind linked to the ship's controlling key decision-making capability. Yatel had slowly backed away from traveling adventure and now ran the science team studying the great black hole in the center of the galaxy. It had formed over time through merger with other galaxies and through its ongoing absorption of stars and debris at the center of their galaxy. The design of the massive receiver instrument extended over a light minute in diameter. The receiver's massive design was created to locate small signals that were hidden in the noise being received from the center of the galaxy, and combining the data with the sensor data placed near the area of the black hole. Yatel's team was involved in working to link the signals from the black hole with the great equations which define the understanding of the universe. The Old Ones had traveled the stars of the galaxy for thousands of generations, but rarely in the inner dense part, with the single exception of Yatel. Their current technology was a dimensional swapping capability that allowed hops between stars known as trans-swap. The technology was powered by accessing interdimensional energy fields, so while it would
Sample complete. Ready to continue?